After decades of planning, the Klamath River dam removal project was initiated last year. Last year was all preparation for the event, and the gist of the project is to drain the reservoirs and then remove the dams without any water behind them. One of the small dams was removed this summer, Copco 2, and is already gone and down to river grade. What the stage we're at right now is the reservoirs being J.C. Boyle in Oregon, Copco, and then Iron Gate as the furthest downriver one. The reservoirs have all been drained. The reservoir draining, it produces the highest levels of sediment downriver. This is expected and a necessary part of the recovery. When the winter period ends and we get into dry weather and it's safe to do so, the deconstruction of the dams themselves will happen and will all be completed in October, except for some ancillary side cleanup projects. But the dams themselves will be gone by October 2024. I acknowledge that it's a big and abrupt change for people living here. But from downriver, the Yurok tribe, who I work for, our mission has been simple. It's to restore the Klamath River Basin. And so working with our allies, we worked on this for 24 years, starting in the year 2000. To see it finally coming to fruition, it's surreal, it's scary. It's scary to see the river like this. But I know this is the healing process. You know, the patient is recovering and on its way to recover, but right now it's going to be a little while till the river's itself again. What we've seen in river projects around the world, though, is these rivers have an incredible ability to heal themselves, and that's what we expect to see here too.